Are you a cell phone addict, always trying to find new hacks to sneak in your phone into class? Well, I got a couple of tips for you. The first one, you can grab a book and your cell phone, of course. Any book, really. Draw the shape of the phone and make sure the book is not too thick, so that the phone doesn't fall into the book. Make sure to put a lot of pressure when you cut. Don't cut your fingers. And put a little Scotch tape to place everything together. There you go, the perfect hideout for your phone. Nobody will ever know. Sorry, B. Another way to hide your phone is under the calculator. Who would have known? You grab a calculator, a phone case that you don't use, of course, hot glue, and your phone. Glue the calculator onto the phone case. Wait a couple of seconds just to make sure it's very solid. And then add your phone. As simple as that. While everybody thinks it's a pack of crayons, you know better. All you need is a pack of crayon, a small knife, and your phone. Make sure the pack of crayon has 2 rows. It's very important. Now draw your phone and cut up the pack like a door. Anybody can do it. Once that's done, take out the back row and only leave the front. Now the case is ready to be used. Now you never have to miss a text because of school. Isn't it awesome? Are you a coffee or tea lover and your teacher is kind of blind? Well, this one is for you. Grab a mug, a phone charger, and your phone, plus 2 elastics. Put the phone charger into the mug so you can easily charge your phone. Did I say it was a 2-in-1? Not only can you charge your phone, but you can also use it as a phone holder. Who said you couldn't Netflix in class? Perfect, isn't it? Another way to stick your phone in class is in a pencil case. You think it's a normal, average pencil case? Well, it isn't. Surprise! The perfect way to hide your phone. You will need cotton fabric, scissors, a cord, a hot gun, and an elastic. Measure how big you want your pencil case to be, and then cut it out. It doesn't have to be super straight. And then fold it in half like so. And then cut the edges like this to make it look like a T. Next up, make sure your phone fits in the case and fold it in 3. Draw the length of your phone to make sure it really fits, and same for the pencils. Cut in the holes like this for each side and put some pressure in it. Then place the elastic in the hole. Make sure to glue it with the glue gun. Once this is done, you can place the cord into the hole. Pass it in and out like so. Almost done! Now the last step is to glue the sides to make sure everything holds together. And if you're not that crafty, you can go buy one. I won't be mad. Be generous with the glue. Share your ideas with us in the comments below. Now all you have to do is place your pencils and your phone, and you're all set. Easy, wasn't it? Nobody will ever know your phone is in there. Are you like me and you need music to survive? Well, I have the solution. What better way to hide your earphones than in your scarf? Use a thread. If you can, try to use the same color as your scarf. Fold your scarf like this and sew the sides. Tie a knot to make sure it's solid, and sew away. It's super easy and very fun. Don't prick your finger. At the end, tie a knot so that your thread is not going anywhere. Follow the same steps on the other side. Easy, isn't it? I feel like a professional already. Once this step is done, you can add the Velcro. Just grab a little piece and stick it on the scarf. For a more permanent solution, you can even sew it. Look, it's perfect. For this one, all you need is an empty juice box and your phone. Draw your phone onto the juice box and cut it up. It's super easy. Make sure you wash it afterwards to make sure your phone doesn't smell like orange juice. Now all you have to do is add your phone and you can Netflix in peace. A dream come true. Isn't the socks the best way to hide your phone? Nobody will ever know you hid it there. All you need is a pair of very long socks and your phone. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you can subscribe below.